Count the chair accessories. Invert the base and press them vertically into the casters with force.
Lower the tail of the gas lift and gently place it into the base.
Install the armrest and lock the screws on both sides in sequence. Pay attention to distinguishing between left and right armrests. Install the mechanism and lock the 4 screws diagonally in sequence. Pay attention to the front and rear directions of the mechanism.
Install the back frame. Align the back frame with the connection port of the mechanism and tighten the screws one by one.
Connect the upper and lower parts of the chair.